Hello there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I guess you really want to know how to revamp your old wigs to get your wigs that are in this state, this dry looking wig. In fact, this wig that refused to be combed, wherever you pass your comb through with the comb must break or something. Look at the stress I had to go through. Like, at a point I gave up. Please guys, if you really want to know how I moved that wig from that state to this silky looking wig that could pass for a bone straight, please don't go nowhere. Stick and stay with me throughout this video, and I promise you'll be a pro at this and you will love the end result. Let's do this, guys. I started off by combing through the wig. Mind you, I had already combed through for roughly about 15 minutes. I tried combing it on my head before I combed it like this, just to show you guys. I first of all use warm water, that's lukewarm water or tap water, and then with my shampoo I mix everything through. You start washing the hair from the tail. I don't know whether that's the tail. You start washing it from the bottom, and then you work your way through the weft or the closure part of the hair. You make sure you do this very gently in order not to tear the stitches apart. At this point, I wasn't applying pressure at all, even though it seems I was really washing it rigorously, but I was not applying pressure at all. So this is the second wash. You can see the water is a bit clearer now, and the shampoo I have in this water was the shampoo from the previous wash. I did not go ahead to add any more shampoo. So you work your way through it just as you did for the first wash, and you keep on washing it like so. The closure, or maybe yours might be frontal part, usually has the most products deposited in that constitute the dead, so you really have to be gentle and spend a lot of time washing that place in order to get all the products out of the closure of the wig or the base of the wig. Mind you, you have to be gentle. Remember, this is a hair and not a cloth, so in wringing it you really have to be gentle. Go with a tender hand in wringing. Don't wring it like you are wringing a cloth or a dress. Please, I beg you, just be gentle with this hair. So this stage is just to get the extra shampoo out of this wig. You do not add any product again, not even a conditioner. This is still the tap water I'm using here. So this is just to rinse off all the excess shampoo or any excess there that I might have had from washing it previously. The look of the water now, this shows we might have done a good job with this wig, right? Yeah, so let's move on to the next stage, that is the hot water stage. Please be careful with this stage because this was really hot. In fact, boiling point kind of hot. You go ahead to add the conditioner. I went in with the olive oil ORS. This conditioner is so good and the smell is amazing. The scent is actually citrusy. I love it for my own hair as well. So you go ahead to mix it with the water, but I forgot, or I didn't get something to mix it with as the water was so hot, so I tried to use the hair to mix it alongside. If your water feels so small, you can actually go ahead to add extra hot water like I'm doing. We are basically cooking or boiling this wig at this point. You can actually decide to put the entire thing in a saucepan on fire, but I feel that is not safe. I'm scared for my wig, so to me this is the safer option. That way I can control the temperature of the water. If my wig starts to melt or start to burn or whatever, maybe it's all in my head, but yeah. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you. So at this point, this wig has stayed in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. And this is why I could actually dip my hand and grab it, because the boiling level or the temperature of the water has diminished a little bit. So you just have your way around it at this particular point. So from the color, you can see the conditioner has actually done its work. So you just change the water, you pour it out, and then you pour extra hot water on it in order to get all the excess product out of this wig. Whilst at this, you get your heavy towel ready and just transfer it from the water onto the towel like so. Check how clear the water below is. This shows that we've actually done a really good job. Like, this wig is all clean and neat. In fact, the scent at this point felt so fruity. I guess it's from the conditioner. Yeah, it's from the conditioner because the conditioner has this citrus twist to it. So you go ahead to pat it dry like so, and you comb it through gently. See, the key word is gently, with a very wide mouth comb or a big brush. You comb it. Look at how silky this hair is looking already. Like, look at how neat and clean this hair is looking. Can you believe this? Anyway, maybe I forgot to mention, I've had this hair for like 4 years now. Yeah, I had this hair in 2018 and we are in 2022 right now, so roughly 4 years. I then went ahead to comb it into my desired shape, because at this stage, whatever shape you comb it to is the shape the wig will attain when it's dried. You then leave it in an aerated space for it to dry up gently like so. How moisturized and soft and silky that fizzle looking wig at the beginning is now looking right now. Look at all that. Just look at this. You cannot tell us nothing. Like, you cannot tell this wig and I nothing. Yeah, guys, are you not loving this wig already? So this is the wig all dried up. Even before straightening it, you can actually wear this wig like this. Me, I can wear this wig like this, but then my shakara level was so high, I went ahead to shape it and then straighten it as well. I really don't enjoy straightening hair. I did not even know what I was doing, but for the sake of this video, I just straightened it. Yeah, and it actually added up, like it made a difference. Let's wait and see. At this point, I actually changed the straightener to the bigger one because the other one was not giving me the bone straight effect I was yearning for. I believe I did a pretty good job with straightening of this hair. Like, I felt it was straight to the bone. Yeah, considering me not liking to straighten hair to actually doing this great job, yeah, kudos to me. I did pretty amazing. Now guys, look at the final look. Look at how straight, look at how nourished this hair is looking. Like this, consider the fact that this was a wig I almost threw away. No guys, don't do that to your wig. Before you throw away your wig, please make sure you've used my method of revamping your hair before, and I promise you there is no turning back. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Until I come your way next time, please do well to catch up with my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys soon.